Good morning, students. Welcome you all in history period. Okay, today we have to see the summary of lesson number 4, the freedom struggle of 1857. Now, introduction. In the period before 1857, the local people faced the ill effects of British rule. Under the British rule, the Indians started feeling that they are exploited. So there was rising discontent among the Indians. Discontent and asantosh. Farmers and common people became bankrupt. During Bengal famine in 1770, British rulers were indifferent and insensitive towards Indian people. The struggle before 1857. Bengal. The peasants in Bengal fought against the British from 1763 to 1857, first under the leadership of Sannyasi Patna. Okay. Then Maharashtra. Umaji Naik organized the Ramoshis and local youths to fight. He inspired people in Pune, Satara, Ahmednagar, Solapur, Nashik, Bhor, etc. He was arrested and hanged at Pune in 1832. Bhils, Kohlis, and Ramoshis in Maharashtra fought against the British. Gadkaris in Kolhapur region and Pond Sawant in Konkan fought against the British. The tribal and the forest communities, whose livelihood was dependent on forest resources, rose against the British. They were Kolam of Bihar, Gonds of Odisha, and Santals of Bihar. Some zamindars and royal class people from different places also rebelled against the British. The Indian sepoys in the army of the East India Company were ill-treated and given very less salary and allowances as compared to the British soldiers. In 1806 at Vellore and in 1824 at Barakpur, Indian soldiers took up pious revolt. All these rebellions were forcibly suppressed as they were local in nature. Now, the causes of struggle of 1857. अब इसके causes यानी क्या reasons थे? Causes means reason. 1857 में जो उठा हुआ उसके क्या reasons थे? क्या वजह थी? Number 1, economic causes. New revenue system caused impoverishment of the peasants. Taxes were forcibly collected, which resulted in collapse of agricultural system. The British imposed heavy taxes on local industries. This trade policy ruined the traditional industries and caused the loss of means of livelihood of the artisans. So there was growing discontent in the minds of Indian artisans. Now, social causes. The Indians felt that Britishers were interfering in their culture, traditions, and customs. Enactment of Prevention of Sati Act and Widow Remarriage Act was regarded by the people as an attempt to destroy their way of life. So they were dissatisfied. Then political causes. The Britishers annexed many kingdoms to India from 1757 onwards. Lord Dalhousie annexed many princely states on the pretext of different reasons. Under the pretext of maladministration, the Nawab of Ayodhya was dethroned. Annexation of princely states of Satara, Nagpur, Jhansi through the doctrine of lapse. Now, number 4, discontent among the Indian soldiers. Indian soldiers were given lower status than the British soldiers. They were denied position higher than the Subedar. They were paid less salary and their allowances were gradually reduced. Immediate causes. The British introduced long-range Enfield rifles in 1856. The soldiers were required to bite the end of the cartridges. The news that the covering of cartridges contained the fat of cows and pigs hurt the religious sentiments of the Hindus as well as Muslim soldiers. Now, the outburst. The action was taken against the soldiers who refused to use the smeared cartridges. Mangal Pandey fired at the British officer in Barakpur cantonment. He was arrested and hanged. This news spread to other military cantonments like wildfire. The entire battalion of Indian soldiers at Meerut battled and marched towards Delhi. On their way, they were joined by thousands of common people. On reaching Delhi, they proclaimed Bahadur Shah Zafar as the Emperor of India. Now, scope of the struggle. After the capture of Delhi, the revolt spread to the whole of North India. The soldiers in the cantonments from Bihar to Rajasthan rose in the revolt. The revolt spread to Lucknow, Ahmedabad, Kanpur, Banaras, Bareilly, Jhansi, and later to South India. Later it spread to Nagpur, Satara, Kolhapur, and Nargund in western India. The royal queens of Pate, Surgana from Nashik district also participated in the revolt. About 400 female Bhils participated in the revolt at Khandesh. Okay. Now, nature of the struggle. Struggle का स्वरूप किस तरह से था? The revolt began as the outburst of discontent among the soldiers. It acquired national dimension due to the participation of the Hindus, the Muslims, the members of various classes like zamindars, kings, artisans, peasants, caste, nobility, tribes, and common people. An armed struggle of the people of India to end the oppressive rule of the British had begun. It gained a national form. Now, crushing the revolt. Initially, the revolters succeeded, but within 6 months, the British recaptured most of the lost territories. They crushed the struggle by all means. Bahadur Shah was arrested and sent to prison at Rangoon. Rani Lakshmibai, Kunwar Singh, and Ahmedullah lost their lives on the battlefield. Nana Sahib and Begum Hazrat Mahal took shelter in Nepal. The resistance of Tatya Tope lasted for 10 months. However, he was captured due to treachery and was hanged. Thus, the struggle was ruthlessly suppressed by the end of 1858. Now, causes of failure of the struggle. Causes means reason. ये जो struggle हुआ 1857 का वो fail क्यों हुआ? The struggle did not take place all over India at once. Its intensity was more in North India, whereas Rajputana, Punjab, some parts of Bengal, and Northwest India remained aloof. यानी ये सभी शामिल ही नहीं हो पाए उठाव में. There was lack of central leadership, coordination, and uniformity in struggle. The majority of the rulers of the Indian princely states and the educated Indians kept away from the struggle. Then, Indian soldiers were brave but lacked tactics and had limited arms. यानी उनके पास जो शस्त्र थे वो बहुत ही कैसे थे, limited थे. Then the British had unified leadership, experienced army generals, disciplined army, the latest weapons, economic strength, and modern means of transport and communication. British क्यों जीते? ये एक बहुत ही important reason है. See, the British had unified leadership. उसमें उनमें क्या था? Unified leadership थी. Okay. Then army जो थी वो experience थी. उसके बाद में डिसिप्लिन थे, वो बहुत ही डिसिप्लिन थे. ये डिसिप्लिन की वजह से उन्होंने पूरे देश पे राज्य किया, यानी पूरे वर्ल्ड के ऊपर राज्य किया उन्होंने. द लेटेस्ट वेपन्स, उनके पास जो शस्त्र अस्त्र थे ना वो कैसे थे, लेटेस्ट थे, मॉडर्न थे। इकोनॉमिक स्ट्रेंथ, वो इकोनॉमिकली बहुत ही साउंड थे, यानी बहुत पैसा था उनके पास। एंड मॉडर्न मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड कम्युनिकेशन, और उनके पास क्या था, मॉडर्न मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड कम्युनिकेशन, ट्रांसपोर्ट और कम्युनिकेशन के अत्याधुनिक माध्यम उनके पास उपलब्ध थे। द ब्रिटिश had won the Crimean war and its naval strength was vast. Now, consequences, effects of the struggle of 1857. अभी क्या परिणाम हुए? It shook the foundation of British power in India. The यानी नींव डाली गई ब्रिटिश पावर की इंडिया में। The British Parliament was forced to take over the affairs of India by passing the Government of India Act in 1857. Then they realized that the British power in India was not safe in the hands of East India Company. The Governor General was designated as the Viceroy of India. A new post of Secretary of State was created to look after the affairs of India. Now, Queen's Proclamation. Rani's Jahirnama. Queen Victoria of England issued a proclamation addressing the people of India in 1857. See, the provision of the proclamation. No discrimination on grounds of race, religion, caste and place of birth. वो जो क्वीन थी विक्टोरिया, उसने अपने प्रोक्लेमेशन यानी जाहिरनामा में क्या लिखा था, कोई भी भेदभाव नहीं होगा, वर्ण, धर्म, जात और प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ को लेकर कोई भी भेदभाव नहीं किया जाएगा। गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ मेरिट, गवर्नमेंट जॉब मिलेगा लेकिन अब मेरिट के आधार पर, यानी आप में कितने गुण हैं, आप कितने होशियार हो, आपके इंटेलिजेंस पे आधार पर। नो इंटरफेरेंस इन द रिलीजियस अफेयर्स, आपके रिलीजियस अफेयर में यानी धार्मिक कामों में कोई भी हस्तक्षेप नहीं किया जाएगा। ऑनरिंग ऑल द ट्रीटीज मेड विद द इंडियन प्रिंसली स्टेट्स, इंडियन प्रिंसली स्टेट के साथ जो भी करार होंगे उसको एक्सेप्ट किया जाएगा, माना जाएगा। नो एनेक्सेशन ऑफ एनी स्टेट इन फ्यूचर, कोई भी राज्य एक दूसरे के साथ जोड़ा नहीं जाएगा। चेंज इन द कंपोजिशन ऑफ आर्मी, the number of British soldiers were increased. English officers were placed at strategic locations. Artillery was kept completely in hands of the British. The army's division was made on the basis of caste. Now changes in the policy. Non-interference in social and religious matters of the Indians. Then the care was taken so that the Indians did not unite and rebel again, and the policy of divine and rule. Okay, here our summary of this lesson. The freedom struggle of 1857 is over, and now we have to start with extra fill in the blanks, extra question answers. Right now, rewrite the statements by choosing the appropriate option. This is your question, but you have to find out the answer from the book. और मैं अब तो options नहीं देने वाली, because I don't want to give you option. You find out the answer with the lesson. Okay, you have to find out the answer. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Stop filling the blanks again. This is your homework. In 1806, number 1. In 1806, Indian Soldiers Act deported. Number 2, Governor General that annexed many states through doctrine of lapse. Number 3, Bahadur Shah, who led the revolt, was imprisoned at number 4, fought for ten months against British. But was caught due to betrayal. But was caught due to betrayal. Okay, fine. Now see students, see the fill in the blanks. In 1806, Indian soldiers at Dash revolted. Number 2, Governor General Dash annexed many states through doctrine of lapse. Next number, Bahadur Shah, who led the revolt, was imprisoned at Dash. And number 4, Dash fought for 10 months against British but was caught due to betrayal. Okay. Take a screenshot and find out answer of this fill in the blanks. Tomorrow I will tell you. Right? And now here our period is over. Bye bye. Take care.